Hey, I didn't notice you there. I was just recovering from the emotional roller coaster that is Kevin James's masterfully put together Paul Blart duology, biology, unfinished trilogy. Oh, okay. Let's continue hopefully over those grammatical mysteries in my Blart-induced existential dread and/or psychosis. I love these movies with all of my heart, despite the onset mental and physical drain associated with watching them. I need more. I crave more. I will create. I yearn for more. Okie doke. So, after jumping down Google's quick draw rabbit hole, discovered something called TensorFlow. I learned that machines could learn and nearly dropped my caveman unga bunga rocks in shock. I also learned that teaching machines to learn is a challenging thing, and given that I am primitive man, stone rock, open coconut, put in mouth, eat Neanderthal kind of guy, might be a difficult task, but I must double down for the Blart. It is what he would have wanted. Do you think that God stays in heaven because he too lives in fear of what he has created? Romero from Spy Kids 2 Island of Lost Dreams. It's done. Sigh, I failed after I tried. I failed miserably. I mean, you could say that the only thing that matters is that I tried, but that'd be like saying, hey Bubba, you didn't fail that bad. Please, don't patronize me. I can take the criticism. Actually, I cannot. That was a terrible lie. I should have said something like, please don't add insult to injury. Please don't hit me while I'm down. Please don't add salt to the wound. Please don't let me watch Alvin and the Chipmunks shipwrecked when I'm... Just don't let me watch it. I could have said that. I guess I'm just disappointed. I'm gonna follow through though. I promised Blart. And I'd be publicly executed via rotten tomato throwing in town square while being watched by the Duke and Blart up above. I have to do it. It's my life on the line. To try and explain what my program is doing, I'm just gonna bring up the few most important key points. What it does is, it goes over and says, I need the Blart. It goes and fetches both Paul Blart scripts, then Shrek 1 through 4, then Spy Kids 4, and finally, regular show the movie. Some of the greatest masterpieces. It then says, hey, would you mind making this into one? Some dark magic goes on behind the scenes, which I don't entirely understand. And it's done. Skirt. Hey, whoa, hello guys and gals. I mean, isn't it a great night tonight? Woo, I love this city town. wherever I'm performing. I'm gonna read you some poetry that I wrote. I mean, originally I was gonna perform this with my friend, but he was having a little bit too much fun being imaginary. I'm gonna spoken word it. Let me just turn on Soul record player. A coincidence? We got a cute little red hen, the boy, the cool on me. Where are you to take me to see to the back? What are you to do? See you to do? This and the cool and love your being in the completed to me and start the same. You can do to be the boy, me of the compliment to go. I can't do this to the stand, and I can wait to go see the security stand and the comples. And in the time, no. I'm gonna go tell me and little Nat. I'm gonna do on the me. I was the love your father. Shrek. I'm gonna call this man to see a compliments to the second. What do you to take to see a boy? Eat on me the family. What do you to take me to go to see a told? Me of the accomplished make of the failing. You had a boy to start. You can't tell you to this to see the second. What do you doing? You could got to see the one. What are you doing? No. I'm gonna go to say the start. I say you to take me. No. Hey donkey. What do you to take the same dis and I can tell her this thing and start the start. What are you to do this thing and the comples and start to the sides? I'm gonna go to be the back. An oak. What are you doing? What are you doing? I'm gonna go to see a best to the seconder to be That's all I have for tonight. Bye, folks. Hey, okie doke. What did we learn today? First, we learned that I am an absolute genius of both stand-up comedy and sit-down comedy. Then, we learned that I created an amazing machine that basically replicated Paul Blart Mall Cop 3, and what it will be. Kevin James finally emails me for the script. I mean, I didn't do a lot else. Not a lot of learning went on. A lot of time spent. Unfruitful. Disgraceful. Goodbye.
Good for nothing, man. Wanted open conversation, line drawn in the sand. Throwing things around his room, reject philosophy. So never know what makes us tick. Down we go again in the hit parade. unified mind that's as broken as all your dress code madness. I'll wear a dress up there.